Hi, I'm Rasheed Philips. I'm a pit master, and we're here at the Beef is What's for Dinner Culinary Center. I'm going to teach you some amazing tips and tricks to help elevate your beef. When you're looking for a brisket, look for a nice fat cap because that's going to help, but you do not want one that's too thin because it's going to burn up, it's going to dry. Also, when you're lifting up the packages, a great test is to grab it and bend it. Wiggle it around. If you get a brisket that's already really stiff, it's going to take a lot more work to get that to loosen up throughout the cook. This here is a beauty with a wonderful cap. And the great thing about brisket, you can do whatever you want. You can clean it up as much as you like, removing that silver skin. Now, one thing I would suggest when you are seasoning a brisket is to start with salt. Now, you may see a lot of guys mix the two into a container, start going. That's great. They might have done it 1,000,001 times, but if this is your first go at it, you really want to be mindful of how much salt you're applying to your beef. Personally, I would suggest grabbing your brisket, starting high, because it allows you to get a lot more surface area controlled and even distribution of your salt, making sure you get both sides and the edges. I actually like to salt the night before, then the next day I'll apply the rest of my rub. The rules are still the same. Start high for nice even distribution. The granule size and the grain size of your black pepper matters. You cannot get a really healthy bark with table black pepper. It's too fine, it's too ground. At least 12 grain or higher, 12 or 16 really for a good bark. Go get like a $6 coffee grinder, drop some fresh whole peppercorns in there and blitz, there it is, still fresh. Mustard makes a great binder because it just helps the rub adhere to the beef better and it doesn't linger. Your regular yellow mustard does not leave a taste, which is a common concern. You won't even know it's there, I promise you. Do not use oils as a binder because it's just going to end up charring and leaving a taste that doesn't really work well. We're not trying to fry our brisket. Once you have it seasoned, make sure to mop up. Great way to ensure that you get the edges. And when you're done, your brisket should look like an old CRT TV, all static. It's true, looks like an old CRT TV. For more amazing and delicious tips and tricks, visit beefiswhatsfordinner.com.